Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today, as usual. I am here repping the XRP Ledger 5-year anniversary t-shirt sent to me directly from Ripple. Okay, that's why I will never get rid of this thing. So, guys, right now we are seeing some short-term market turmoil. I think we got about minus 15, 20% across the board. People are flipping nuts, even though Bitcoin is still nearly double its previous all-time high. I don't get why people freak out over this. It's like, dude, in bull markets, you need to be prepared for extreme volatility, and that means both ways. That means both ways. But guys, the video I posted earlier today was kind of just for the general cryptocurrency space, but I want to get a little more specific on XRP with this one. Now, the first point I want to bring up is, do you guys remember about, I want to say several months ago, remember when XRP moving up by a penny or two was like a huge deal? Remember that? Remember in the deepest, darkest days of like the bear market and very, very tight consolidation at yearly support? Do you remember when moving up a penny or a penny and a half, and XRP would be up like 8-9% on the day? It was a huge deal. And I'm seeing everyone complaining, oh, we're going down, blah, blah, blah. The way I'm looking at it, I'm going to give you my perspective on this. The way I'm looking at it is, okay, you could just say, okay, XRP's at 27 cents. Okay, big whoop, Alex, your shitcoin's failing. All right. The way I look at it, though, is that we were just at 17 cents, ran up to 90, pulled back down to 20, bounced to nearly 40, came back down to 17, just made an attempt to 40 yesterday, hitting a peak of about 37.5 cents. Now we're back to 27. Do you see what's happening here? XRP is moving up and down by a dime like it's fucking nothing. On the regular, XRP is starting to move up a nickel, a dime, even a quarter. You see what I'm saying? So remember when the penny movements were a big deal, right? And okay, you could still say, oh, we're back at the same exact prices when we were there, but we're at 28 cents now. We were just at 37 cents yesterday. Do you see how volatile this market is starting to get? Not, cryptocurrency. Do you see how volatile XRP is beginning to get? I know we've had a lot of downside, but we also get a lot of upside. We get a lot of quick, rapid moves to the upside after we coil tightly on the micro frames. But I just can't help but notice, like, okay, you can say, oh, we're down 15%. Poor me, even though I knew the risks of investing in this freaking magic internet space. The way I'm looking at it, the volatility is getting extreme. Okay, the volatility is starting to get extreme. We are moving up by dimes, not by pennies anymore. We're moving up by dimes. We're moving down by freaking, you saw a couple of quarters, dude. So it's like, this is nothing more but confirmation of this next bull cycle, because we got Bitcoin double its previous all-time high. We got Ethereum back to all-time high. What I find hilarious is that people thought like we weren't going to have a pullback. It's like, bruh, the top two biggest cryptocurrencies breaking all-time high and hitting previous all-time high, you think we weren't going to have any sort of pullback. Now, XRP has yet to even get close to all-time high. We had the run up to about $1 recently, 93 cents to be exact, but I'm just really starting to love how XRP does not move by a quarter of a penny or half of a penny. We are moving by nickels and dimes here. And sure, we're going down. Okay, boo-hoo, but you need to take note of this extreme volatility. What's going to end up happening, guys, is we're going to keep playing this support game over and over. We're going to keep coming back down to support, pumping, coming back down to support. But eventually, like XRP has done in previous bull cycles where it sits down at yearly support and does nothing, we are all of a sudden going to go a couple of 1,000% in a matter of weeks. So yes, right now, does it seem like a little depressing that we're kind of still at the same prices from the previous bear market? Sure. But you could also look at this as really, this is just, we're continuing to backtest our own yearly support while the top cryptocurrencies are breaking all-time highs. Guys, what happened in 2017? Bitcoin and Ethereum were running like crazy. It was running and running and running and running. XRP, 20 cents, just like it is now. It's repeating 2017. And I just remember waking up that one day. XRP started moving by nickels and dimes, not by pennies. It was doing this same exact thing, upside and downside. It was staying at 20 cents. It stayed there and stayed there and stayed there. And I remember waking up one day, 30 cents. I go to school. By the end of the school day, 40 cents. I get back home, go to sleep, wake up the next day, 60 cents. Freaking at school that day, 90 cents. And all of a sudden, dude, we're at freaking $4 a coin. And I'm just telling you, this is the next bull cycle. We are not going to stop this time at the $3 to $4 range. We are going to take this to the next parabolic level. Like Bitcoin just doubled all-time high. That probably means XRP is XRP is primed to about triple its all-time high. So I'm honestly calling for about $5 to $10 a coin here in the next couple to several months. Again, I'm being very, very conservative because, guys, things in the cryptocurrency space can happen like this. Okay, this is the land of minus 40% in a day, but then 1,000% in 1 week. So I know it might be very, I'm just going to say it, depressing. It can be depressing, but you got to look at how volatile XRP is becoming. And like my dad always said, it's kind of like it's got this rubber band effect. And it's been pulled down so hard for so long while the top cryptocurrencies are running. Same thing happened last bull cycle. Like, this is kind of all going to plan. You could look at this as, oh, it's dropping, but the way I see it, it's all going according to plan. So right now, Bitcoin's pulling back, and it's at 35K, still 15K above previous all-time high. Everyone's going, oh my God, crash, zero, dump, oh my God, it's over. But it's like, dude, you're pulling back to find some, you're just pulling back to find a structure at higher prices, and all it's going to do is just take off again. In bull markets, why does cryptocurrency go down? It goes down to come up again. And guys, the volatility with XRP, it's moving in much more significant movements. I know I'm repeating myself, but it used to be a penny was a fucking huge deal. Now we're moving nickels and dimes, and we made that run to $1. We're moving by quarters, and pretty soon, guys, we stay on this same trajectory. XRP is going to start moving by dollars. That's coming, okay? Don't think XRP is going to be some sub $1 coin forever, like Rand Nooner saying, oh, XRP is never going to break 50 cents. Dude, this thing, mark my words, by the end of this year, 2021, it's going to start moving in dollar increments by the day. I'm already seeing this happening now on the charts, moving from pennies to nickels and dimes. We're going to start moving by dollars, but you need to have patience. You need to let Bitcoin and Ethereum run. Dude, watch XRP sit there and do nothing as Bitcoin makes its recovery pump back to 40K, then to 45K, 50K, 60K. Ethereum probably heads into the $2,000, $3,000 range. XRP will do nothing. I promise you, it won't do anything. But there's just this odd spirit in the market. You know, it's probably the fucking bots and all the algorithms, right? But XRP is always the last to pump in these bull cycles. But guess what? It pumps the last, but it pumps the hardest. In 2017, it was the biggest performing coin in terms of percentage gains. From bottom wick to top wick on the weekly chart, 77,000%. And I'm not saying it's going to do exactly that same thing again, but it'll fucking do something pretty similar. So guys, stay strong. Iron hands. You want to go ahead and sell a portion of your bags and try to buy back in at lower prices, maybe trade like 30% of your bag in some micro cap coins or some other altcoins you're interested in, go for it. But I'm telling you, do not capitulate out of your XRP. I know this is not motivating at all with how the charts look, but you must note that the volatility is much, much greater, which means extreme upside is very likely, especially when we play around with yearly support for 3 years, just like the last bear market. So I'm telling you guys, fucking hodl. Don't let go. I'm telling you, stick with this hodl. You know, not financial advice, entertainment purposes, but dude, we've seen this happen before. I saw Bitcoin in the last bull cycle in 2016, 2017. What did Bitcoin do? Bitcoin went from a couple of $100 to like $3-4 grand. I think it went all the way up to like 5-6. What did it do? It crashed back down to like 2,500. Everyone's flipping shit. But what happened? Moves from 2,500 all the way to the all-time high 20K. We just barely break all-time high, and all it's doing is pulling back, and it's giving a little back test, and guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum won't stop running. Like, I don't even own any Bitcoin or Ethereum, but they're going to keep running. They will keep running. I promise you that. These proof-of-work coins that are fundamentally flawed, they will keep running. They will keep running. But Bitcoin goes crazy, crazy, crazy. Ethereum goes crazy, crazy, crazy. All of a sudden, we have like 3 days where XRP is the only coin that moves. And I know you guys have seen that before. So, yes, this is a message to the XRP holders, or XRP community, I don't know what I'm going to name it yet, 2.0. Because, yeah, we got this whole SEC bull crap. I believe Ripple's probably going to come out with an official statement that'll, probably be very, very motivating, I'd say, because Ripple's got probably some of the best damn financial lawyers on the planet, considering they're a multi-billion-dollar company. Again, guys, the largest #1 private bank in this world did not invest in Ripple for no reason, okay? Don't get shaken out of your bags. Guys, stay strong. We are playing the yearly support game. XRP is the last to pump. It pumps the hardest. I'll see you guys in the next one.